Land, Larry neon lit club, flashing lights bouncing off the floor, confident energy in the air, people moving to the beat, loud brass hits cut through the mix, adding a bold statement. The bass is deep and bouncy, making the beat feel infectious. Hi-hats and coax elements give it that signature club rhythm. You're that a sassy female lovers with power, her freedom leather cover your skin. Pulling it into a deep 808 bass pulses under claps and hi-hats, slowly building energy. I know you want it. Trap style drums kicking, introducing groove. Labels and some extra boxes, elements layering up. Boy, you better step up. Boy, you better strap up. Making it instantly catchy. 808s keep the groove here and club ready. Give me what I came for. Strip down beat to focus on playful, confident rap. You say you got game, let's see if you can play. High energy claps and rising temps build tension. The breakdown moment with filter drums before the second drop.